Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be unboxing and trying on my Boxycharm box for the month of November. So we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up, take the pamphlet out. So let's see here. The first thing that I see is the Luxie brushes. Let's see here, this is the Luminous Eye Set. This retails for $21, so I plan on using those today. Let's see here. The next thing that we've got is from CoverFx. These are glitter drops in the color Nova, and this retails for $44. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this on. We're going to see how well it works, because I'm not one for glitter, but we'll try it. So this is what it looks like. Go ahead and shake it up real quick. I don't have any highlighter on, so that's what we'll use for highlighter today. Definitely glittery. But it dries down pretty quick. Alright, so that's what we've got so far. Alright, so the next thing in the box is from Beaute. This is the Grandoise palette. Features 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. This retails for $24.99. And let's see if I can get it to come out of the box. So this is what it looks like. I am living for these colors. They're definitely colors that I would use. So we're going to go ahead and break out these Luxie brushes here. And we're going to use those to make an eye look today. And this is what the brushes look like. They're all glittery. Let's see, there's a mini tapered brush. There is a mini flat angled brush, a mini angled, and a mini round brush. So I think that with these we can definitely come out with a look. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this first color here called Patchouli, and we're just going to do that all over the eye. And I'm using the mini angled brush for this. Now this is pretty much close to being my skin color, so really it's just setting down the concealer that I had. And with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this color here called Cinnamon, and we're going to just put that in the crease. I'm going to go in with the medium tapered, and we're going to go with the color right here called Poppy. And we're just going to do that again. We're going to put it in the crease, but we're going to bring it a little lower down and into that V. I'm going to use the mini flat angle, and we're going to go into this color Bartle right here, and that's going to go all over the lid. And I'm going to use this mini round, and we're going to go into the color Jasmine right here, and we're going to do that as our inner corner highlight. Alright, so the next thing that we have in the box is from Jonteblu. This is a glitter star eyeliner in the color black. This retails for $5. Let me get this open real quick. And if it'll focus, that's what it looks like. It is definitely glitter. Alright. And then the last thing in the box is from Lashaholic. This is the Instagram false eyelashes. This retails for $14.99, and that is what they look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead off camera. I'm going to put on my mascara, put the eyelashes on because it is going to take me a minute to get that done, and finish up the rest of my look with my lipstick and everything, and we'll come back and we will discuss the box. Alright, so this is the finished look. I have the lashes on. It didn't take me as long as I thought it would. So I would have to say the whole box, the glitter effects in the lashes are not my favorite, mainly because this just isn't my style of lashes that I would wear. I like a thinner band and a more wispy looking lashes than this, but they're not bad. So the box overall was $109.98, which is huge compared to the $21 that you're spending on the box. So you're definitely getting your money's worth out of the box. Even if I if I take out the CoverFx glitter drops in the lashes, the box is still over the price of what I paid for them. So it's definitely something worth looking into if you haven't already subscribed to it. But I want to go ahead and thank you for watching. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded the next time I upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.